Hello, it was 2012 Ford Focus, and we will be replacing rear sway bar bushings. For the part, this is what you need. It's SV6Z-5493-B. The only place where I was able to find them was the dealership. So now let's get under the vehicle and take a look where they are. Okay, so this is one. There's another one. And it's held in place by two 13mm bolts. Let's try to get them off. Okay, so the main goal right now is not to break any bolts, since we don't want to use heat around the tank. So I'm using my impact with a bunch of extensions and on the lowest setting. There we go. Let's try the top one. I need to increase the torque a bit. Not moving. A bunch of extensions, so that will decrease the torque too. They're not moving, so in order to have a little bit of feel, I'll grab my ratchet and I'll try to loosen them manually. Okay, I'm using 3/8 ratchet with the long ratchet, so we'll see how that goes. Actually, it's not too bad. I guess with too many extensions, all the torque from the impact was kind of lost. So I think now we can switch back to the impact. Now we'll do the top. Both bolts are out. Now we should be able to pull this bracket out. Oh, we should use the pry bar. This is out. Now we can pull the bushings out here. So the interesting part is that this bar is not round here, it's flat on both sides, and the bushing is flat too. Also quite interesting that if you spread this, it stays like that. So there must be a metal plate inside. When you push it back, it goes back. Now I will remove the other side. Okay, so the other one is removed, so now we can pull that bracket off too. We can remove the bushing too. Let's get the new bushings on. So the old bushings are removed, so we have the new bushings over here. We will just place them. And this has to be pointing to the left. So in that case, it sits perfectly on the bar. do the same on the other side. Just like that. Want this metal piece be inside the bushing. Now we can put the bracket back on. I need to use some soapy water. So just spray this bracket with water so that bracket slides better on top of the bushing. It's tight. But it's coming. Slowly making its way in. Let's try with the hammer. That works. Not too bad, but it got shifted a bit. Anyway, I think we'll put the bracket on the next one and we'll see if they line up well when we put them up. Alright. Okay, now we'll just get this tight. We will tighten them at the end. Same thing on the other side. Got one bolt started at the bottom. I'll just need to do one at the top. Get it snug. It's not a bad job, but just I don't have too much room. As the last step, we will torque this to 44 foot-pounds. Same on the other side. And that should be it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please check links to the description to the video for any parts and tool that you might need. And as always, just do it yourself.